5.6 billion daily searches, 230 billion long-tail keywords, $279 billion. These are the prizes on offer if you can crack the Google traffic code. But for 99% of people, this is impossible. That is, until now. Presenting Done For You AI Traffic, a new way to get Google clicks, 100% powered by ChatGPT. Now here's how it works. Step 1. Log in to DFY Traffic and browse through the Done For You preloaded niches. These niches are worth billions of dollars. So click on a niche to proceed to the next step. Step 2. The AI will now suggest hundreds of keywords, checking them for searches, cost per click, trends, ease to rank, and wrapping all these metrics into a single metric, our patented Google AI score. Step 3. In one click, you choose the keyword you want to target. Now, the keyword is sent to GPT, which scans the current live Google search listings and suggests articles like the ones already getting traffic. This two-way conversation is key to creating content that ranks. Why? Because we're simply copying what works. Step 4. Now, you choose a new article and GPT writes it for you, from scratch. These articles are ranked by a confidence score, which is how confident GPT is to create better content than the other listings. And again, the AI uses the current Google listings as a template to create the best content possible. This content creation step involves multiple prompts, writing and rewriting the article to make it quality, readable, and undetectable to AI scanners. Step 5. Now you publish the article to your Done For You website and use our fast ranking tricks to get instant traffic from Google. All your content is exported as a private RSS feed, which means it can be imported as draft or live into any website. And that's all there is to it. Google Cache and Google Traffic is here. You simply rinse and repeat every time you need a traffic influx. And yes, this works for any niche or keyword. And no, there is no writing or keyword research. It's a new way to get Google traffic, with ChatGPT handling everything. It's the only AI that gives ChatGPT live access to the current Google search results. Hit the button to get started. Thanks, and I'll see you on the inside.